Businesses usually need to increase their income. They keep coming back to you for advice and you become a trusted source before you come up with a solution on how they can be helped.
In the equipment world, we operate on really small margins, so you have virtually no room for error. There's balance, which is very often missed in today's society.
Managers can get down. We've done a lot of trainings in the past. We needed to lead workshops that do not put them to sleep.
As an entrepreneur, oftentimes you're told that's impossible. Trying to find different solutions that will help in the most. To ask the difficult questions, maybe of yourself.
When I was 12, I became a Girl Scout, and I learned that as a leader, a girl should have courage, confidence, and character. Got certified as a business coach from FedEx that turned into Profit Management Solutions following those three mantras.
I know the philosophy of FedEx. Knowing that Nancy was involved in that helped the decision to use Nancy for the services that we needed.
You kind of have to check your ego at the door. Your feelings are going to get hurt, but you have to want to get better and grow. Change an organization's culture, that's really tough. But change the top individual's culture, that's not an easy thing. It doesn't happen overnight.
She is a great person to call up and say, I don't know how crazy this idea is, Nance, but what do you think? She makes you feel comfortable working with her. And she does that with a smile, she does it with a sense of humor, and you know she loves you, and that's important. When I leave that meeting, I feel like, wow, I can't believe how much we accomplished.
You can have the best product, you have the best service, you can think you've got what everybody wants, but until it's delivered, it's not really worth anything. And the people in your organization is what makes the deliverable. It makes it a lot more fun for their employees to join on and say, hey, I want to be a part of this.
We experienced over 300% growth, made the steps from essentially a mom and pop dealership to a real business, and that would not have happened without Profit Management Solutions.
Everybody learned how to work together to be more dynamic.
Nancy is a trusted source.
To help you to find yourself.
I work with every level of people within the business, from the top CEO level down to the person who's helping keep the organization clean and orderly. Do you have a plan as a leader to take your company where it needs to go, to make it profitable, to make it fun? There's a big difference in what makes Profit Management Solutions stand out.